Welcome, brave explorers, to the wild and wonderful world of jungle animals. Get ready to journey deep into the lush green rainforests and vast grassy savannas where some of the planet's most incredible creatures live. In this guide, we'll meet the mighty lions who rule the plains, the striped tigers that silently stalk through the forests, and the gentle giant elephants with their amazing long trunks. But that's just the beginning. The jungle is also home to chatty monkeys, colorful toucans, slithering snakes, and so much more. Snow leopards live in the mountain ranges of Central and South Asia, including the Himalayas, Altai Mountains, and the Tibetan Plateau. Snow leopards are usually solitary, except during mating season or when females are raising cubs. Snow leopards weigh between 120 pounds, 2755 kilograms, and are about 2-5 feet, 150 centimeters, in body length. Leopards are highly adaptable and can live in forests, mountains, grasslands, and even deserts. Leopards are mostly solitary and territorial animals. They are primarily active at night, nocturnal, hunting and patrolling their territory. Leopards often drag their prey up into trees to keep it safe from scavengers like hyenas. Leopards eat a wide range of animals, deer, antelope, birds, monkeys. Moose are strong swimmers and can swim up to 6 miles, 10 kilometers, without stopping. They can even dive up to 20 feet, 6 m, underwater to feed. Moose are often found near lakes, rivers, and wetlands where they can access aquatic plants and cool off. Moose can be very dangerous, especially if threatened or during rutting season. Moose are strong swimmers. Donkeys have excellent memories. They can recognize places, and other donkeys they haven't seen in years. Donkeys can carry up to 30% of their body weight and pull even more. They've been used as pack animals for centuries. Donkeys form strong bonds with other donkeys, animals, or humans. Lonely donkeys can become sad or depressed. Donkeys are highly intelligent, not stubborn. They're just careful and cautious by nature. Donkeys have excellent memories. They can recognize places. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. Lions are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Lions are the only truly social cats. They live in groups called prides. A pride usually consists of related females, their offspring, and 1-3 adult males. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. Gorillas are part of the great ape family, along with humans, chimpanzees, and orangutans. Gorillas use tools, show emotions, and can learn sign language. For example, Coco, the gorilla. Gorillas mostly eat leaves, fruit, stems, and bamboo. Occasionally, they may eat ants or termites. Gorillas share about 98-99% of their DNA with humans, Mature male gorillas are called silverbacks. Goats were among the first animals to be domesticated over 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are strictly herbivores. They eat grass, leaves, shrubs, bark, and weeds, but not trash, despite the myth. Goats have horizontal rectangular pupils. This gives them wide peripheral vision to spot predators. Goats are ruminants. They chew cud to help digest tough plant material in a four-chambered stomach. Goats were among the first animals to be domesticated over 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are strictly herbivores. They eat grass, leaves, shrubs, bark, and weeds, but not trash, despite the myth. Goats have horizontal rectangular pupils. This gives them wide peripheral vision to spot predators. Goats are ruminants. They chew cud to help digest tough plant material in a four-chambered stomach. Zebras live in groups, herds, and often form strong family bonds. Plain zebras form harems, one male with several females and foals, while Grevy's zebras are more solitary. Zebras live in savannas, grasslands, woodlands, shrublands, and even mountainous regions across eastern and southern Africa. Zebras live in groups, herds, and often form strong family bonds.
Tigers are the largest cats in the world. A male Siberian tiger can weigh over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, and grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters, long with tail. Tigers are mostly nocturnal. Their eyes are specially adapted for night vision. They can see 6 times better than humans in the dark. Tigers are endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Only around 4,000 tigers are left in the wild. Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land. They can run up to 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per h in short bursts. Cheetahs have long legs, a slim body, and a long tail that acts like a rudder to help them turn quickly while chasing prey. Cheetahs can only run at full speed for about 20 to 30 seconds. After that, they need to rest. Running that fast takes a lot of energy. Cheetahs are endangered. There are only about 7,000 cheetahs left in the wild today.
Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, making them one of the first domesticated animals. Dogs can see in the dark better than humans, due to a structure called the tapetum lucidum in their eyes. Dogs come in an astonishing range of sizes, from the tiny Chihuahua, about 2 pounds, to the massive English Mastiff, up to 250 pounds. Dogs form strong bonds with their humans and can experience separation anxiety when left alone too long. Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago to the massive English Mastiff. Elephants mourn their dead. They will touch and revisit the bones of deceased companions. They display complex emotions like joy, grief, compassion, and even humor. An elephant's trunk has around 40,000 muscles used for breathing, smelling, touching, grabbing, and trumpeting. Elephants are herbivores, eating 300 kilograms, 330, 660 pounds of food daily. Compassion. About these amazing animals. Learn how an elephant uses its trunk like a hand, a nose, and a hose for drinking water all in one. We'll find out why a monkey's long tail is so useful and what makes a parrot's feathers so brilliantly colorful.